So today we are at Folake's channel. Yes, it's dark. The quality is not that good, but we have Folake at the back. As you can see over there, she says she's supporting Commander and the likes. So I think I'll give the camera to her to continue.
Please, my quality is good. Don't mind him. He doesn't know what he's saying. You know, look at this, state of the art technology. Okay. What do you have to say to your fans?
I love you all.
Aww.
Only God, if not God,
I don't know what to say.
both teams are doing very well.
Oh, really?
So,
are you sure? Hi guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today's video is actually a vlog and I'm vlogging my week. So I just finished writing a paper, and normally when I come to my department I like to brunch and then get a mango and then just find a corner and sit down when nobody's at and then enjoy my mango. So come along with me. So I'm currently heading to a bookshop. I'm going to see whether I can buy myself a book to read or just find a nice notebook because I need a notebook. Dad gave it to me as a gift, but I haven't been able to read it because it's too big, like all William Shakespeare's works. Can you imagine? And they are in place, like they are not stories, they are in place. Ain't nobody got time for that. You know, I've heard so much about this writer, but I haven't read any of his books. I've read a poem of his also, I can't even remember. I'm trying to add to my collection of African writers because I've realized that I don't really read from African writers. I think the only African writers I've really read from are Chimamanda and Chinua Achebe. But then I've not really read from and Ama Taidu. But then there are other African writers that I feel like I really want to read from. So maybe I should get this book. It looks interesting. I just saw a book that brought back so many memories. When I was a child, there was this gift that my parents got for me. It was a Bible illustration book. And I don't know why my mind has registered it as the first gift my parents gave me. I know that's not the first gift my parents gave me. But I remember that day so well because it was my birthday. And then they were like, they have a surprise for me. So I was so excited, like what surprise. And then they pulled out that Bible illustration book. It's like a Bible but then for kids with pictures and everything. And I remember so well, I was so excited. I didn't even know why I was so excited at that point, but like I was so happy that they had gotten that Bible for me. And then that was my Bible when I was a child. I just used to read it when we go to church. I thought that was actually how every Bible was. When we go to church, I'll carry that Bible along with me. Like it was it's such a precious memory, and I'm so grateful to my parents for actually getting that for me as a child, because they could have gotten me a toy or something, but then they decided to get me a Bible, and even the way they presented it to me was so special. I'm grateful to God for my parents, for my mother, for my father, for at least giving me that great start with Christ. So yeah, get your kids a Bible.
We are all time bound, like there's a limit to us, but He's the eternal one, the almighty one. That is who you have in contact with you. Like, you have an advantage on your side. You have a major advantage on your side. He is your Father. You have a major advantage on your side. In the beginning, He created all of us. He created all of man. He gave man everything man needed to do. But at a point, man deviated from what He had expected him to do. But because of His love for us, He still has to send a precious bit of Him to come to reconcile us back into the promises He has called us to be.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hey.
Say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
The rest are chuka.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Say hi to my YouTube channel. Anyway.
You are eternal, Lord.
Sing it.
That's why we
Hi guys, so you're welcome to day 3. So I'm at a rehab center. Yeah, we got to escort our pastor to a rehab center to preach. So we are here.
Hi.
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
This is a pastor. His name is Pastor Berma.
you did it go.
Yes.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi guys, so it's already Thursday and I'm going to write a paper again. So see you after my paper. What do you have to say to your fans? What do you have to say to your fans?
I just knew it.
It wasn't easy. I had to cross rivers and seas to get to class. I
Wow.
had to fly over.
Oh.
It feels good, you know. Shout out to all my fans who were with me throughout the journey. Shout out to my mentor, Commander L. Shout out to the K family. Shout out to my family, my biological family, you know.
My God.
It's a blessing to see you. When we gather like this, that's when. And then your water was not flowing.
About Jesus coming to die for us, and then told us about how the Jews, when someone marries someone.
Yes, sir.
What we do is that.
Congratulations. Hi guys, so you're welcome to Saturday, and today I wrote a paper and I'm going to the beach because Kay has a family. We are going to the beach, so today you get to see something interesting, at least because the whole week I've been writing papers. So today is a day of relaxation and enjoyment. So I'm currently walking to the beach. See you there. So we've arrived at the beach. I'm actually a little late because I'm coming from my paper. And I left some of my friends at the entrance because I'm already late. Now we're going to go on the boat, which will take us to the other side.
Hey. That they make a balance and become. That's it.
Of course. So I'm going to put my phone away, but I'm going to hit the water. The water is my favorite part of coming to the beach. I don't know how people come to the beach and you don't enter the ocean. Like, what's the point? I love the ocean. Like, so bye guys. Let me just make you say hi to my friends. Say hi. Hi, my. Say it to your fans, you know.
If you have been prepared.
Stacey, what's that? To your fans.
I love them and listen to them.
What do you have to say to your fans?
We are Bojo and how see you get.
Please, what's the secret to your beauty?
Oh yeah,
Share butter. Wow.
Like God's glowing is emanate. I show you.
Wow.
I mean, you know that.
Oh yeah, we next time we come in, we are kicking them out. We are kicking commanders.
Do you believe so? Because we
yeah.
feel like these people are the winning team. Are you sure you will be able to overtake them?
Yeah, they are the winning team for now. It's just the time for a season, my team. And now we're going to together again. We're strategizing to see how we can take them down.
Wow.
From the opponents, they feel like they will win. Let's watch and learn. Thank you.
I would like to be neutral in this game because as you can see,
No gray here.
as you can see, both teams are doing very well.
Oh really?
So
Are you sure?
Okay, you continue.
I am very
Say hi to your fans. Please, who are you wearing today? Who are you wearing?
Hello, comment.
Wow, please, who are you wearing? Hella, okay. Oh, hello, woman of God, please, who are you wearing?
Wow.
Oh, today, who are you wearing?
You know, I'm wearing the Spirit of God. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Shop Holy Spirit collection. Thank you.
You heard from the woman of God. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi,
Any word for your fans?
this is Folake-speaks mom. This is how I wake up with my Tom Brown in my hair net. I hope you people are fine. And I hope you listen to her channel. Folake no clear.
Junior, what do you want?
Oh, actually,
Yo, what do you have to tell your fans? Fun fact about this dog, my brother bought him thinking he was a Maltese because they lied to him and he grew up to be a local dog. And she's stubborn like something.
About 6 hours. Think about that. He couldn't die. He couldn't die. Like death couldn't come for him. He was there until he said, Father, into your hands I commit my spirit. He's like, now I allow myself to die. Come on. After he said it, the Bible says he was you. They said, if you are the son, come down. He could have come down to show them. You see where they come from. They don't hear me. So normally men's responses to issues of the heart are different from the way we respond.
yes, sir.
Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Tell her.
Hello. I don't like being interrupted.
She doesn't like being interrupted.
Interrupting.
Subscribe. She doesn't like being interrupted.
So I'll put my scarf and then
Okay, come and buy us something.
What do you have to say to your fans?
I love you all.
Oh.
It's only God. If not God, Charlie, who again?
I don't know what he's talking about, but guys, yes, it's true.
What do you have to say to your fans?
My fans out there, Jesus loves you.
Let's go.
Just come and buy what?
Really, really nice.
Wow. Wow. Please, anywhere for them.
And also, we have some really riders whenever you want some. People are amazing people everywhere. Connect to one, enjoy, have a nice day.
Anywhere for them, the people.
Forgive and love one another.
Wow, wow. How are you guys so beautiful? Like, how do you do it?
The creation of God.
Wow.
The creation of God.
The creation of God.
I'm shining the light of His glory.
Wow, wow. Thank you, thank you. Please show them the house. Yeah. So guys, all too soon we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.